Fire is unpredictable. It destroys without warning and knows no bounds. Every year, countless lives and properties are threatened by its destructive force. Founded in 1956, National Fire Service College has been at the forefront of fire service training in India, evolving to meet the country's growing safety needs and shaping fire safety standards nationwide.
यह राष्ट्रीय अग्निशमन महाविद्यालय 1956 में स्थापित हुआ एकमेव ऐसा संस्थान है लोगों को आग से और किसी भी आपत्ति के समय में तुरंत जाकर उनकी जान और माल की देश की कैसी रक्षा करने की है इसका संबंधित प्रशिक्षण देता रहा है।
Training at NFSC starts with building a solid foundation in fire science. The Bachelor of Technology in Fire Engineering provides students with the knowledge needed to understand fire dynamics and master the techniques to prevent and extinguish fires. Recognized nationwide for its professional training, the college is a premier institution preparing fire officers and personnel from across India in modern firefighting, safety and rescue operations. Students at NFSC do more than learn how to fight fires. They learn how to rescue, from extraction techniques to rapid response drills. Each exercise prepares them to handle the complexities of real-life emergencies. Every lesson is brought to life through rigorous hands-on training, from suppressing fires to rescuing victims from life-threatening situations. Trainees are exposed to every possible scenario to ensure they're ready for real-world challenges.
देश में जब भी कभी घटना होती है तो जब सक्सेसफुली हम उस लोगों की जब जान बचाने में हमारे अग्निशमन कर्मचारी जब सफल हो जाते हैं तब हमें एज ए डायरेक्टर ऑफ दिस कॉलेज हम लोगों को उसका एक सार्थ अभिमान और गर्व महसूस होता है।
Raw courage defines them, and this institution shapes them into gritty professionals, heroes who protect the nation.